If you like this video, please press the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also give it a thumbs up. Contrary to what you may think, creationism is not an alternative to evolution, but rather it is an alternative to naturalism. The confusion has often been used to argue against the scientific nature of creation science. This distinction is very important to understand the difference between scientific theories and their philosophical underpinnings. When you are trying to understand the regular functioning of some aspect of the universe in the present, such that it can be tested or observed, then the differences in these philosophical presuppositions are insignificant, since this is, by definition, what a natural phenomenon is. However, when you are looking at a past event, one that is either reported to be supernatural or for which there are other reasons to attribute the event to supernatural agency, the difference between the two philosophical presuppositions will be significant. Furthermore, if an event was indeed supernatural in nature, and you try to describe what happened based on absolute naturalism, you will not get the right answer. The problem with philosophical naturalism is that it makes it impossible to conclude that an event was supernatural regardless of the evidence. Under philosophical naturalism, only natural processes are considered to exist. Supernatural agency such as God is excluded from consideration before any evidence is even looked at. Sadly, now methodological naturalism has been used as a way of pushing naturalism in practice when doing scientific research. Whether one's naturalism is philosophical or just methodological, the result is the same. They exclude God as a possible explanation for anything regardless of the evidence. This makes it impossible for mainstream science to see any evidence for the Genesis flood because it is not possible under naturalism. From a scientific perspective, creationism and naturalism are both philosophical starting points for the development of theories. Naturalism excludes supernatural agency by definition, while creationism allows for it and considers the possibility of supernatural explanation when the situation calls for it. Both are philosophical starting points that are then used to develop theories that can be tested. Properly understanding this discussion requires realizing that creationism is not an alternative to evolution, but to naturalism. This is important because creationism and naturalism are philosophical starting points, not scientific theories themselves. Once you understand that both creationism and naturalism are philosophical positions rather than scientific, you start to understand the issue better. They are both starting points for scientific theories. Once you understand this, the different conclusions of creationists and evolutionists become a lot easier to understand.